Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Well, I got a, well, it's not actually an unboxing, it's an unbagging. Ordered something here, part of my preps. Some informational stuff that I've been looking for, so let's open this up here. Let's see if I got the right one. Okay, here it is. This is the book on butchering for beef. This one just happened to be on sale, so I've had it in my wish list for quite a while, and so I got it really quick when it dropped on sale. I'm just waiting for the other one, the poultry, rabbit, lamb, and goat book to come on sale. Then I will get it too. So, oh, okay. And try to turn this around just to show you guys. It's got some. He's got other books here, and then, got some good color pictures on doing different cuts of meat and stuff. So I'm going to stop at that point and take a look at the, okay, and it has the how to skin, removing all the other parts here. Yeah, it's step-by-step photos. Really good informational photos here. How to do everything from the very beginning. Yes. Very good. A lot more in-depth than I thought it was going to be. I'll try to remember to put the link to this down below in the description so you guys can check it out as well. Before I take off, if you haven't had a chance to hit the thumbs up right now. It helps me out with YouTube's analytics. Also, put a comment down below. You know, something nice. Don't get too derogatory about stuff. Also, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, click the subscribe button down below there and then hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post one of these videos. That way you can follow along and keep up with everybody. Also, if you are new to prepping, there's a couple playlists you should check out. I'll put them at the very end here. They'll be over on this side here. They'll be the prepping and prepping for beginners and prepping in private playlists. I'll also put a link to my other channel, Camp Pet and Family Compound. Up here it's the homesteading and gardening channel, and I have a fair amount of prepping stuff over there too for homesteaders and other people as well. So also you want to make sure you get as prepared as you can. Don't rush into it. Take your time, one step at a time. Don't get burnt out. And if you have friends, neighbors, colleagues, whatever, who want to get started in prepping too, those playlists I talked about are good for them as well. All right? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Skills such as knowing how to process your own meat. All right? Take care, and I'll see you around.